key syllabus areas. It is very much financial reporting, and a lot of topics are actually overlapping with ACCA SBR, but they are at a more complex level, at a more advanced level. And then there are some topics which are new. For example, the topics which you did not face in FR and you face them here in SBR, they are like IS 19 employee benefit, IFRS 2 share based payment, etc. And then there are topics which are standards which you learned in FR, but when you come to SBR, they are checked or in more depth, like IFRS 9 financial instrument, a detailed application in SBR. F7 or FR had a very basic level. Similarly, consolidation was very basic in FR. Here it is more advanced. IFRS 16 leases was basic in FR. It is more advanced in SBR. But some topics, now you would be happy that some of the topics, they are actually almost at the same level, what you learned in ACCA FR, like PPE, IS 16 PPE, almost at the similar level. Investment property, IS 40, almost at the same level. Anyways, fundamental and ethical and professional principles. Ethics has a very special emphasis here. We, in our SBR course on Vertex, this is actually one of the beginning. I mean, we put this topic in the beginning of the syllabus. You definitely are going to get one question from ethics. Financial reporting framework, we will learn different IFRS standards, reporting the financial performance of a range of entities. Financial statement for group entities, consolidation, you are going to get your first question in SBR from group accounts. So what does that mean? The first question, which I'm going to show you in a while, is actually consolidation question is there. That is for 30 marks. And ethics question is there, which is probably 6 or 8 marks. So you can say that the two topics, one is consolidation, one is ethics. So ethics and group accounts together are somewhere 36 to 38% of the exam. So throughout our preparation, we will not be compromising on these areas, because imagine you exactly know 38% of exam is going to come from these two areas. So that's important to know. Interpretation of financial statements for different stakeholders, performance measures we will discuss here, and impact of changes and potential changes in accounting regulation. This is some general syllabus ideas. Okay.